So if you're looking for some nice weekend point where you can also go for some temples, then ideal place from Bangalore is Kaiwara. Kaiwara is a very good place where lot of good temples are there, and here there is a famous Thatha temple. So if you are aware of Kalachakra, like some people have predicted what will be the future. So here in Karnataka, he is also famous for telling the Kalachakra, like the next future. So we have come for this place. So here in Kaiwara, this place and Chalo Narayana Swami temple is there, and Kailasa temple are there. So we will be covering these three places. So some people also will be doing marriages and all. So as of now, what I have heard is, like, if you know MSRIT, like MS Ramaya, so he is the person who is maintaining this whole place. So if you are coming by walk, you can come from this side, or there is a proper dedicated car parking area also. If you are starting from Bangalore around some 7 o'clock in the morning, ideally by 9 o'clock you will reach to this place after having a nice breakfast. There are a couple of places to have nice breakfast and for the reasonable prices while coming to this place. So ideally, if you are taking the Tirupati route from after crossing Hoskote, then you will get a left. From there you will be reaching out towards the Kaiwara. So overall it will be like 1.5 hour from Bangalore to almost any point of Bangalore to this Kaiwara area. So as I said, like 2-3 places are there. One is Chalo Narayana Swami temple, one is Kaiwara Thatha temple, and one more is Kailasa temple. After covering these 2-3 places, then you can either go back to your place, or you can go for Kolar and also can cover 1 or 2 places, because it is also some 30 kilometers away from this place.
We came to Chalo Narayana Swami temple, and here we took the darshan of Sriman Narayana, Lakshmi Narayana Swami, and first we went to the Kaivaram Thatha temple. So this temple timings is till 8, so we came around 9. So that's why we went first there and then came here.
Where Pandavas worshipped Lord Shiva.
So that is Dharmaraja Lingeshwara, and this is Arjuna Lingeshwara. So each Pandava has worshipped for one different Shivalinga. So that's what. So this temple has 5 lingas. Nakula Lingeshwara. And this is Sri Sahadeva Lingeshwara. There is Vishnu Lingeshwara.
This will be in the middle. So after covering this, we will be going for Kailasa temple.
And this is Sri Vishnu Lingeshwara.
So earlier we went for Sri Thatha temple. Here is a place where he have done the tapas. So you can also cover this place before going out of this area, I mean Kaiwara. So after this place we are going for Kailasa. So it is on almost the same route. Here it was written Sri Maha Kailasa Girikshetra. Annapurneshwari Mandiram. So finally we have reached Kailasa temple. So after just 5-10 minutes of walk, we have reached to this point. So inside this hill there is a cave. We'll be covering that and then we'll be moving to some other place. Mostly we'll be trying to cover Anthargange also today. So remember one thing, whenever we are trying to cover some temples and all, videos and photography are not allowed inside. So we'll be trying to only show the environment. And second thing is, even environment also you have to come here and you have to enjoy it. So this is actually a very good worthy place. If you have already covered most of the places in Bangalore, this is one good place to come, which is just 1.5 hours or 2 hours from any point of the Bangalore. going inside that cave. So inside we have to go, and inside photography and videography not allowed. But just see this place. So how was the temple experience? Lord Shiva temple.
Very good, very good. So very nice man-made structure. They carved this big hill into small caves.
There is a small 5 to 10 minutes of trek, but almost like everyone can come for this trek. Like, it's okay. Like road was occasionally maintained, not very great, but yeah, almost like any age people may take some time, but they can actually come for this place.
One good thing is, even if it's fully sunny, we are getting very cool and good breeze.
So morning we have started around 7 o'clock, and now the time is 11:30. So by now we have completed Kailasa temple, Chalo Venkateshwara Swami, Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, and we also have covered Thatha temple and 2 places of it. Now we also went for Bhimalingeshwara temple also. So now we'll be going for one known place, and then we'll be going for Anthargange. So that is also some 400 to 500 steps place. So we'll be also covering that, and then we'll be signing off for the day. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride. If you are very much confused like where to go in Sunday or Saturday and Sunday, then this is very good place for one day, like one complete day. It will take like from morning to evening. After covering Kailasa temple, you can also come to this Seethi betta, which is around 20 to 30 kilometers from that place. So this is a very good place, and especially for bike riders and car riders who just enjoy that S-curves. One small hill is there where you can also enjoy such. And this is a Shiva temple and Bhairava Swami temple. So after completing your Kaiwara trip, you can also, as I told you before, like you can either go to your place back to Bangalore, or you can come to Kolar, because this is also very close. So Kolar, just only cover one place, because after covering this, ideally when you are planning to reach Bangalore, it will be 4 or 5 o'clock again. So we came to Anthargange. Parking charges are like 40 rupees for 4-wheeler. So ideally after completing this, then you can probably plan back to your place. So then ideally it will be a complete one-day trip. Try to plan it on Saturday, so that every place it will be like medium rush or almost like zero rush. दक्षिण काशी क्षेत्र अंतर्गंगे.
This is the Antharganga. Very
So Antharganga, they said why? Because Antar, like from inside, Ganga is coming. So this is the place. This is the place where the water is coming out.
We have covered 195 steps till now. More to go.
No, we have already reached. So this is the temple.
15 more to go.
Yeah. So after covering this temple, we'll be back to the Bangalore. So as I told you earlier, this will be the best way. If you have already covered a lot of places in Bangalore, this is best way to have your weekend, like one complete day, like from morning to evening. It will take nicely. You will enjoy, but only if you are a little spiritual. So keep watching to our videos. We'll be bringing more and more videos for you. Please like and share and subscribe.
Please like, share and subscribe.